everybody, welcome to my channel. You guys, I went to the Dollar Tree. Now I wasn't really expecting to do a haul, but I ended up finding some really good stuff, stuff that I can work on. I am working on another DIY that I want to do. I don't know if I'll make a video for it. I want to start making them first and see how well it takes, but it's another Christmas ornament that I'm definitely going to make. But that's the main reason I went to the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I got is I got a tinfoil tray for our turkey. Grandma and I are staying home for Thanksgiving this year, and we're just going to be by ourselves, and we did get a turkey. The pan is probably too big for the turkey, but that's okay. I just wanted to be safe than sorry. So I ended up getting a pan. Like, that's the best place to buy those. I mean, I know you could get them somewhere else, but I feel like that's the best place to get them. Some stores do have better deals here and there, but you know what? That's just it. I ended up getting these ornaments. I've seen so many people buying these on these groups that I'm in, and then they just like put their people's names on them and stuff, but I'm actually going to give these as a gift. I'm going to put some names on it and do it as a gift. So I ended up getting those. I got some little mini paper cups. I'm going to be doing a DIY with these. I wanted to find one of them to be green or white, but I couldn't find it. I might paint them actually, because I think that'd be kind of cool to paint it. So we got that. I ended up getting some bells. I needed something to use for my cups that I just bought, and can't go wrong with that. And if I don't use them, I can always use them for a Christmas tree ornament. So I needed some beads. I ended up getting these tube confettis, and then I also got some brown beads. They said they're glass, but I'm gonna use these for a DIY that I'm using. So I thought this is kind of cool for that. Now last year, you guys, I bought a ton of these. I think I still have a ton left, but my store got a bunch of these in, and I plan on making some more crafts with these. I could probably buy more, but I want to start making my stuff up first before I do it. But they had like out of office. I don't really care what it says. I use these to do my vinyl crafts that I do, so I'll be definitely putting that away. I am going to be making another craft that I have. I don't know if I'll be making it. Why is there a reason why I can't make it this year? Oh, because I want a laminator, but I asked my mom to get it for me for Christmas. But there is a DIY that I might be doing soon. I might have to do it with tape. We will see. But I'm going to be doing something with that. And I'm like, why not just get a cheap frame? My husband needed chili powder. We are completely out of chili pepper powder. So I'm like, okay, I'll just get it at the Dollar Tree. I think like all spices are the same. I mean, all those places all have the same kind of spices. Now with the DIY that I want to do, I need some cake decorating kits. So I actually got two of these. It says I don't know if I'll need both of them, but I'm using two different types of chemical stuff, so I don't want to combine them. But I ended up getting those. I found this little mask. This is sitting up at the registers, but it is a Minion Mask. I thought that's cute. It says it's disposable and it's washable up to 20 times. So I thought this was cute. They had two different designs, but I thought Ben would probably like this one, and you can't go wrong with that for him. Now, every time we go out, I always look for Hot Wheel cars, because you never know what you're gonna find. And Ben and I are starting this collection of getting special Hot Wheel cars. For Christmas, he's going to be getting a duck. I found a rubber duck Hot Wheel car. And then we found a Thomas Hot Wheel car one time. I found Cruella DeVille Hot Wheel car. So we're always on the lookout for Hot Wheel cars. The other day, we actually got the Flintstones. We got the Flintstones, I think, at Walmart. So I was at the Dollar Tree, you guys, and I found these. So this is the Snoopy Hot Wheels car, and then this is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Hot Wheels car. So what I'm going to actually do is find a shelf for Ben to put in his room so we can put all the specialty cars in his room. So I think it'd be kind of a cool little collection that he can collect all throughout the years, just kind of getting this stuff. So I'm pretty excited to find these. He will be getting these for Christmas. Got one of more of these pans. I love these. This is a 3-pack. It's perfect for what I've been using it for. I've already used 2 of them up for a lasagna meal that I made because I feel like I always make way too much than what I truly need, and then I need to freeze it, or what I need to do is cut it in half and freeze the half and then do that because it comes out to be perfect servings for everything. So I ended up getting those just in case I need them. I got more of these glass frames. Can't go wrong with that. So I'll be putting those in my little shelf. I ended up getting some caulk. I need some caulk for a project that I want to work on. So got that. And then I saw this cute little rubber duck. This is purple and pink glitter. It's called the glitter duck. I thought this was super cute. They had them in different colors, but this is the only purple one they had. And I thought this would be a cute little stocking stuffer for Charlotte for her stocking stuffer for Christmas. So I thought that was super cute to have. But yeah, that was everything I got. I'm pretty excited to start collecting cars. It says that there are 3 out of 10. Ooh, I should see what these are. 3 out of 10 of the Screen Time Hot Wheels cars, and I have number 3 for the Turtles, and I have number 9 for Snoopy. So I guess I'm gonna look online and see what we can find, but I'm pretty excited for this. This is my best thing I can get. Again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys can get some good deals. I've been really, you know, trying to get some things here and there. I'm just cut back on shopping drastically and more focused on my crafting and stuff for that. But again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys another time for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.